All right, remember to stay until the end of the video to find out how to win $200 in a gift card. So today we are packing the OpsCore rail mount kit, other known as the OpsCore amp arms. These things are amazing. The quality that you get over the cheap ones that you can find online, going with the official OpsCore brand is by far the best way to go. So let's get this man wrapped up. Give him the Atomic Defense envelope. Some of them delicious Jolly Ranchers. My favorite one is actually the watermelon. Some people would call it watermelon, but you know, watermelon is okay, or watermelon. It's basically your choice. The only thing is, can you request the specific flavor that you want? I mean, if you put it in the notes, we're not going to ignore you, but we'll try to give you the ones that you want. But just a heads up, we do kind of just grab them at random. As you can see in the pile over there, it's a little bit of everything. The same thing with these. These are the tan ones. We have all of these actually in stock almost all the time. So even the gray ones that are hard to find and the Ranger green ones that OpsCore won't even sell to the individual customer, they will still sell to us and you can get them through us. So just keep that in mind if you want some of those weird colors. Get this tucked in there. This is why we're not doing these envelopes anymore. Okay. And there we go. We'll pull that one up for this guy and we'll get it sent out.